I'm Chris.
And we are
The Carnival Cruise Addicts.
That's right.
Yeah, we are.
So today we're going to do a food review. Oh, yeah.
If you needed proof.
Of Cucina del Capitano on Carnival Celebration.
For dinner.
For dinner.
Yes.
Yeah, so we went there the other night. Usually my favorite restaurant. Not going to say it wasn't good.
Few issues, though, which we'll get into.
But it was okay.
Yeah, a little bit.
So what did we have?
Well, Liz started with the caprese salad, which is tomato, mozzarella, basil, and olive oil.
And that was excellent.
Yes, that was absolutely delicious.
I highly recommend it.
I stole a piece of that. Then she had the rucola, I think. Not Rico, although she has Ricola now. Trust both do. We'll get into that in a minute. The rucola cracked farro salad, which is veggies, dried fresh mushrooms, and young pecorino.
And that was really good, too.
Didn't know there was old pecorino. Apparently there is. I had the frito misto, which is lightly battered, deep-fried shrimp, calamari, and fish, vegetables, and garlic aioli. That was actually pretty good.
Yeah.
We're going to review these one at a time or talk about them at the end?
It doesn't matter.
Okay. So that one actually, when they say lightly breaded, it was really good, wasn't greasy, and yeah, like really light and airy, honestly.
Okay. And then on to the main.
For the main, Liz had?
I had eggplant parm, my usual.
Yep.
And then a side of cream spinach.
Which was delicious.
Oh my god, I could just eat that for dinner.
Yeah, it was really good. I had, what the hell did I have?
You had an eggplant.
Oh, no, I had the chicken parm. Which, it suffered from shrinkflation.
It used to be, like, big,
yeah.
And I think you got pasta with it.
Yeah, we'll post the pictures of it, and it used to fill up the plate, and I was hesitant to get it because it was so big, and I normally don't eat the whole thing, and I feel bad wasting it. This time, it was like they took a chicken McNugget, pounded it out, left it outside to dry in the sun, deep-fried it, and then gave it to me.
Did it taste okay?
No.
Okay.
It was this time it was really dry. The smothered in sauce, which they are, didn't have much in the way of mozzarella on it either. The last one was just like so good and delicious, and there's oil dripping off the plate, and it was freaking huge. Yeah. So this time around wasn't the best. Yeah, it was very disappointing.
That was a big thumbs down.
Yeah, and I got the roasted broccoli and cauliflower, which should have been called burnt trees and ice cold.
I like the char. He does not.
This wasn't charred. I know how to char something. The florets on the broccoli were just literal charcoal.
The cauliflower was good.
Cold, but yes.
Yeah, that's right. His food was cold.
Yeah.
I remember, normally it's pretty quick at Cucina.
Yeah, it was over an hour and a half.
It was almost 2 hours. It was way too long.
Yeah. It seemed like something was off staff-wise because we were sitting next to two couples, ladies that were just absolutely spectacular people, and we started yapping, and they were there before us. So the couple to my right got their apps and their food, and it took a minute. Ooh, that was a big wave. We just kind of leaned a little bit, and the couple to the left of me, see, so after they got their dinner. Then we finally got our dinner. The couple to the left who sat down before us still didn't get theirs. So, we asked the server.
I think it was a birthday.
Yeah, I think it was, yeah. So it was, the service that night was definitely off. I mean, Cucina should not take 2 hours. We did the steakhouse last night.
We'll get to that separately.
Yeah, but we were in and out in an hour and 15, give or take, for a steakhouse. So.
All right, let's get to the dessert.
Yes, which was the best part, yeah.
We had tiramisu and apple.
I forget what it's called. Hold on.
Crostata.
So house-made buttermilk gelato, slow stewed apple, and cinnamon. That thing was very good. And it came out hot, actually, which was nice.
And the tiramisu.
Tiramisu is always good.
So, look, I would probably, for me, give it an 8.
Food-wise, I'm going 6 to 7 this time around.
It was not as
Last
good.
time, I would have gave it a 9, and it was on the same boat.
So we will not do it again on this ship.
No. And like I said, the service was just...
At least this time.
This time, yeah. They're not the friendliest. They just look like they might have been short-staffed or something like that. Something was off. I don't recommend against going there ever. Try it. This would be one out of multiple times that we've been there that the service was okay and the food was okay. I mean, next time it's on a different ship, we'll likely go back.
Yeah. I would always say give it a shot.
Yeah.
Just know that if you've gone before, things might have changed. Sizes got smaller.
Yeah, you get a chicken nugget for the parm now.
I saw a chicken nugget.
You'll see the picture. It's the same size plate they used to put it on, and it would literally go from edge to edge of the plate. I'm not saying fill the whole plate up, but edge to edge in, chicken tenderloin size. This was not.
Yeah. Anyway, that's our thoughts on Cucina.
Yeah.
So thank you for watching.
Take care.